Yo, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get Altstore without a computer in 2026. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright, so it's pretty easy, guys. All you have to do is go to this site and then find it, press on it, press download. So before this finishes, there's going to be one more step, which is verification. So this is where we got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official App Store. And then we're going to get the Altstore on our device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download. So as you can see, it says missing files. So I just got to download some of these apps. So we got like Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So it's like a game. So I just got to download this. So that's pretty easy. So yeah, just like play through this right here. So just make sure you do 2 of them and then you'll get it onto your device. So it's super cool. So they've also got like Mode Casino. So yeah, that's how I get Altstore in 2026 without a computer. So I can't open it because then the video will get taken down, but that's how to get it. So this is super cool, guys. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and then you'll get the Altstore, bro. That is so cool. That it actually works. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about how to get Altstore for your device. But yeah, this is super wild. So I'm gonna see you guys in another one. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. This is super cool. So I really hope the video works for you guys. I haven't had any problems with this at all. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to try it out. I mean, this is super crazy, bro. It's ready for you and everything. So yeah, I mean, if you're broke and you can't afford a computer, this is a completely computer-free method. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out.